Hey everybody, my name is Mary Boyd with Journey Fitness Center. We're back again to give you another exercise tip. Like we had told you, we're teaming up with SmoothieBox to give you those exercise tips to help you keep in shape and keep your momentum going. So let me show you one of my favorites. It's an ab crunch. It's a basic ab crunch. We're gonna go straight to the floor, so follow me today. Find a mat or some comfortable place on the carpet. Down on the floor, feet flat on the floor, knees raised. We're gonna go all the way back. We're going to build us a little neck support, and it's almost like a head and neck support. I love to use a triangle, and I use it for support, not to actually pull my neck, but actually to keep it off the floor. Now we're going to engage the core and the hips. So this goes all the way down from the top of the rectus abdominis, all the way down, and also includes the obliques. So what we want to do is raise the shoulders off the floor, engage, come all the way back, all the way up, and all the way back down. All the way up, all the way back down. Remember, keep the neck very, very loose, not tense. We don't want to strain the neck. We want to make sure we're engaging the entire core by getting those shoulders off the ground. Another way not to engage the neck is to cross right over the chest. I love to do about 20 of these 3 times per day, so 3 sets. 20 reps, and you'll get an awesome ab workout. Follow us tomorrow and get some more great workout tips. See ya.